my channel. My name is Sarah. Today I'm going to be doing a look on the makeup you see right here in front of you. It's a purple-ish blue smoky eye, and I used the Colourpop pigment in the color Crab, as well as the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette to create this look. So if you want to see how I created it, then you guys can keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to just start by priming my eyelids. Ooh. I'm just using the Colourpop No Filter in the color Fair 04. I'm using the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. It looks like this if you've never seen it before. I'm just gonna dip into the color Madagascar. Ooh, yes. Blow my brush up there. Tap off the excess, and I'm just going to work in my crease here. I'm just going to slowly build up that color with circular motions and windshield motions. My dog is like staring at me right now while I do this, and it's kind of funny. Just working my way up in the crease, past the crease little there. And so it kind of just gives like that soft, just dip it in a little bit more. And just a soft, this muted look. Which makes the other colors we're going to be using easier to blend. I'm just using a Morphe M433 brush to do that with, if anyone's wondering. So I just did that equally on the other side, and I left my main eyelid, part of my eyelid clean, so there's no powder. So then next I'm going to jump into the color Jezebel, this deep, really gorgeous purple color. Use this Moda Royal and Nickel Moda brush. This is just called the crease brush. They're a unicorn brush, this looks like. I don't remember, but I really do like this. So again, just going to take some, wipe off, tap off the excess, and go right in over that Madagascar color on the bottom there, and go over into our crease, but not going past the Madagascar color, just going slightly above it, so like leaving the Madagascar color there, but just going over it, going into the crease, so that makes sense. So I'm going to go back in with that Madagascar color and that same brush we used before, and just kind of blend them together so I get more of a even blend there, slightly. So as you can see, it's kind of messy. There's like eyeshadow all over the outside, and that is totally okay. We will be cleaning that up later. So I just put that all over my lid basically, except a little of the lid there off. So again, we'll clean out the edges so you don't even worry about purple all over your face. So next what I'm going to do is take this Layla shade. It's like this dark purple shimmery color, and it is really pretty. And I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is just some random brush I have. First I'm just going to load it on my brush, just dry, and I'm going to just pat it on the outside of my outer lid here, and just slowly make my way to the middle of my lid. So I'm not really going in the crease, I'm just kind of going on my actual lid up to my crease and just kind of bringing it slowly. I don't want to go over my whole eyelid, I want to go about halfway and just slowly. And then I'm just going to take my, just wipe off the brush on my color switch, or you can use a different brush, whatever you'd like. And then I'm just going to try to like soften the harsh edge there that I made. What I want to do now is go back with the brush that I put that Jezebel shade in. I'm not taking any additional product, and kind of just blending it out, just a little bit out in with that Layla shade, just lightly, not like a whole lot. Just now we're going to dip into the next color, which is the Kathleen Lights X Colourpop pigment in the color the crab. So you literally could use any pigment you want. I know it's kind of more of a blue-ish purple or blue pigment. So you can use pretty much whatever pigment that you like to go with this look. If you want to use a more purple one, or if you just want to use an eyeshadow, it's totally up to you. I'm using the crab because I am a Cancer, so the crab is my sign. So this is the one that I bought, the sign that I bought, because this is my sign. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the NYX Tug Glue on my finger here, just kind of tap it out, and just put it a little bit on the inner part of my eye that I haven't put that purple in yet. Just a little, just like make it a little tacky. And I'm going to take some setting spray and put it in the cap. I have the pigment sitting in the cap. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the setting spray in there, mix the pigment and the setting spray together so it gets kind of like a pasty kind of feel. And then I'm just going to tap that on my inner part. And yes, this part gets a little bit messy. That's why I put the glitter glue down first. I think it's just like super pigmented. So I'm just gonna tap that out and bring it up like that. So I just want to slowly bring this onto my lid. So now what we're gonna do is, because we have that color on our lid that's super harsh compared to the Layla shade we have down originally, I'm going to take the Layla shade on that brush again we used and just kind of setting spray it up and really intensify that color. Oh yeah, so you get that really deep sparkly purple, and slowly start to blend it in with the crab pigment. Now you see like they are mixing together a little bit. That's gonna happen because it's, you know, it's a pigment. Take the brush that I was using before. This is a BH pencil brush. I'm just kind of try to minimize the shimmer. I'm just gonna go back in with that Layla shade again. Try to go really intense on the outer and kind of try to fan it out a little bit. Want to get closer to the crab. Okay, so I just finished the other eye off camera. As you can see, they're both done. So now I'm going to take the Jezebel shade again, and I'm going to go in. So I'm going to go back in with the Jezebel shade and go in my crease. I'm just taking this beige 13 brush. So then we're going to take our Madagascar shade again and just kind of blend it out in the corners just a little bit. We're going to just clean up with a makeup wipe, and then we're going to start on the face, and then we'll come back to the eyes after. Okay, so now that I've cleaned up my eyes and I have took a makeup wipe and kind of sharpened the edges of my eyeshadow, I am ready for foundation. Boop, 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 boop. And I've zoomed you out, so I feel like I'm not so claustrophobic anymore, and you guys are up my nose. So I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primizer, which, if you guys didn't know by now, is literally my favorite primer of all time. I'm gonna be careful around my brows because I already did them off camera a while ago, because my brow routine never changes. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a second. Okay, so we're back after like an hour. My camera battery died. So yeah, I had some lunch, watched some TV, and then I'm back. So let's continue. So already primed. Now I'm going to use the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. I'm using LN4, LN3. So fun fact, I had literally force myself to not use the L'Oreal the Natural Finish foundation that I've been like addicted to, because I really do like this foundation a lot. I just use my other one a lot more because I really like it. So I think the opposite also use. And now I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk Tap foundation brush and just blend this in and add more as I see. I guess it's a little pale for right now. I got some sun recently, so I guess it's a little light. Since this foundation is just looking a touch too light in person and on camera, it bronze it up real nice. Now I use the Colourpop foundation, the same shade that I used earlier to prime my eyelids. I'm also going to take the Maybelline Age Rewind Tone Concealer. And this is in the color Neutralizer. Okay, so I adjusted my light and now it looks a lot more true to color now that I fixed how it looks in person versus how it's on camera. So I adjusted my white settings a lot better. It looks a lot more how it does in person. So now I'm going to take my Rimmel Stay Matte powder and dust this all over my face to set my foundation. So I know this video, the lighting has flashed back and forth, but we'll figure it out for next video, I'm sorry. I want to use something new in my collection, which is the Colourpop Private Party bronzer. I did this like once and I liked the way it looked, so I'm going to use it again because blush, which really doesn't really go with this look, but I freaking want to use it because the Buxom Primer Infused Blush in Mykonos is so bright and it's like doesn't go with style at all. But you guys aren't my real dad, so you can't tell me what to do. So I'm going to just take a little, like a little bit of it, like that's a little, and I'm going to just dust this on super lightly. I only started recently really falling in love with blush, so I tend to go a little heavy with my accent sometimes. So what I do is I take my powder that I used, so if I have powder, whatever kind of powder, I just take it and I kind of just put it all over my brush here, and I go over my blush just a little bit to dye it down. Yes, and I could blend it in, but I kind of just want to mute it a little bit instead of like blend it away. And to me, that makes it look really cute. And this looks like I'm really not wearing my blush, but that's okay. I'm going to use a newer highlighter myself. I'm going to use the I'm So Lit Wet n Wild highlighter that they just came out with, the loose one. we're gonna bring you guys back in. I'm gonna finish up on my eyes. We're gonna finish up on the eyes now, and then we'll go to lips, and this look will be complete. I'm gonna go with like this kind of flat shader brush, and I'm gonna go in with a bit of Madagascar that we used from the beginning of the look and go underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to take a brush like this, just a flat, like really flat brush, I don't know how to describe it. This is just a BH Cosmetics 9 brush, dip it into Jezebel, and really focus this tightly under my lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little pencil brush. This is just a random pencil brush I have. Dip it in the zero, I don't know how to say that one. This like champagne color, and I'm going to just dip my brush in there. Highlight my brow bone. And then I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of my eye here. Do mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I just put on some Ardell Fake Mink Lashes in style 811. I put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and now we're on to the lip. We're going to be using the Fenty Stunna lip paint in the color Uncuffed. So there is the lip paint on my tiny lips. So I just pulled you guys back out so you can see the final product. I pulled my hair down so it doesn't look like I'm such a hot mess. So yeah, this is the final look using the Colourpop Crab Pigment. I don't know what I'm going to call this title, but it is a very beautiful look. If you want to make it more wearable, obviously you can just not use the huge lashes that I have on. But I think it adds something to the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, maybe the like button. If you want to see me on other social media platforms, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Links are down below. Just gonna give you the real. I definitely update Instagram a lot more than Twitter, but you can still follow me on Twitter and see what I tweet randomly. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!